Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, we need to open run. So right click here and select run. Then simply type here services.msc and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to just scroll down and find out Windows Update. So here it is. We need to right click on it, select properties, and we need to set startup type as manual. So automatic, set startup type as automatic, and then click on apply. We need to start the service and click on OK. You can also click on restart the service from here. Just select the Windows Update and click on restart. Once done, close this window, then go to search bar and type here cmd, right click on it, and then select the run as administrator window, select S. Once we are here, we need to type the command. So type these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. Type in gp update /force and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process, so we need to wait for it. And the computer policy update has completed successfully, and at the end we need to simply type exit to close the command prompt window. Then simply restart the system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. So go and check out, and don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.